Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. MBA CET 2024 forms are out, and in this video, we are going to discuss step-by-step process on how to fill the form. What is the checklist? What all documents you need to be ready with before starting to fill the form? Then, what to fill at what position will be explained to you. And separate inputs will be given for category students. So how will a general category student fill a form? How will a EWS category student fill a form? How will a SC/ST category student will fill a form? And all the categories students will fill a form will be covered over here. If you want to start your MBA entrance exam preparation journey, you can connect with us on the numbers given in the description of the video. We have started a last batch for MBA CET preparation. The fees of the batch is just 6,000 rupees and the timing is 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m., which is suitable for almost most of us. All these sessions will be live online sessions. Here we will be provided, you will be provided with ebooks. If you want to purchase hard copy books at extra cost, you can purchase that as well. We will also be providing you recorded video sessions. All the sessions that are conducted online will be provided in recorded format as well. Then sectional test, full length mocks, and 24/7 doubt solving assistance will be provided. Just make sure that you connect with us on the numbers given in the description of the video. The number is also available over here. Yes, again, one important point here is that students and faculties from JBIMS and SIMSRI are going to teach you in this batch. So make sure that you avail this opportunity. Price is just 6,000 rupees. The batch has just started and all the important topics will be covered over here. Topics like logarithm and indices and surds will not be covered because they have hardly one question on that. But topics which have 4, 5, 6 questions on asked on them will be covered in this batch. Now let us start with the form filling process. So the things that you need to keep ready before you start filling the form is a soft copy of your photo, signature, soft copy of your photo and signature. Then your 10th, 12th and graduation mark sheet. You don't have to upload it anywhere, but you will need them to fill the details. Then your PAN or Aadhaar or passport or e-Aadhaar or driving license can be will be needed to be uploaded as proof of identification. For category students, they need to have caste certificate or application receipt for caste certificate. So caste certificate is available with you. Then you will need the number written on the caste certificate. And then if you don't have the caste certificate, but you have applied for it, then the number on the application receipt of that caste certificate will be needed. If you don't have the caste certificate and you don't have the application receipt as well, then make sure that you hurry up and get it ready. Caste validity certificate, same thing. Non-criminal certificate, again the same thing. Remember, you don't have to upload these documents now. You don't have to upload these documents now. So here we have written not required because it is something which you have to provide at the time of cap round. So the process to start application for this should be done from now because the cap rounds will be conducted in the month of April and they are 3 months away from this process or from today. So you will need that much time to produce these documents. So make sure that you have these with you. So first you visit this website cetcell.mahacet.org/CET3. So I will provide this website in the description of the video as well. Then you go to CETs. Then you go to CETs and click on 24-25. Okay. You will be directed to this page. So you being a new user, you will click on register. So once you click on register, you put your full name as per your SSC mark sheet or HSC mark sheet. So whether it is name, father's name, surname, or surname, name, and father's name. You have to check that and make sure that you enter the details accordingly. Then your valid email ID, your password. Password must be 8 character, at least one upper case, one lower case, one number, and one special character. Confirm your password, mobile number, your date of birth. You click on register. Once you click on register, you have to do the email verification. So email verification, you have to go to your email ID, a mail will be received. You just have to verify the email over there. Next, you go to this page once you log in, and then you go to this page. First, you have to write your father's name, mother's name, select your gender, select your religion, select your region, mother tongue, income range, in nationality, and marital status. So about the religion, yes. Then you have to put in, I mean, all the religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and Christian, all of them are available. You just have to mention whatever fits your category the best. So then you write your permanent address. You know about your address better than me. So fill in all the address, complete details. Then the other details, are you domiciled in the state of Maharashtra? Means, do you still live in Maharashtra, or do you have the domicile certificate of Maharashtra? All these details will be needed. If you are a are a student from Karnataka, then you are not domiciled in the state of Maharashtra. Then your minority details, are you a person with disability? Then SSC or equivalent passing year, passing percentage, and SSC board. Same with SSC school state. Okay, so if let us say you passed in the year 2015, so you mentioned 2015, then SSC percentage you mentioned over here, how much you got, which board, Maharashtra State Board or CBSE board or Karnataka board or MP board. Then which state was your school in? You mentioned that. And then are you appearing or appeared in 12th board exam or not? So you click yes, because most of us are appearing or registering for MBA CET. So 12th to ho chuka hoga. So you click on yes. Once you do that, yes, there are few minority details over here. So those minority details are very much necessary to be mentioned. Reason being, there are few colleges which have Tamil minority. There are few colleges. So, for example, SIES has Tamil minority. KJ Somaiya has Hindi minority. So, these kind of minority colleges are also available. So, make sure that you uh, click on the right minority, and also make sure that you have the minority certificate ready with you. ठीक है? So there are few religious minorities like Buddhist, Christian, Jain, Muslim, Sikh, Parsi. Then there are few linguistic minority like Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, and the various minorities. And the types of disabilities are also mentioned over here. So deaf, cerebral palsy, blindness, all these type of disabilities are also available here. On the basis of your disability, it will be decided whether you need the scribe or not. Scribe is someone who will write the paper on behalf, in behalf of you. Okay. Moving forward. Once you fill this form and then click on save, you will be directed to this page. You have to click on registration. Once you click on registration, a page like this will open. For Maharashtra CET, you have to click here. Once you click there, you have to click on the checkbox over here. So you must have gone through the complete information brochure before you go ahead. So once you have downloaded the information brochure and checked all the details over there, you can click on this and go ahead. Click on I accept and proceed. Moving forward, you have to write your full name. I mean, this page is completely already pre-filled because you have already filled all the details related to this. Okay. So all the details will be pre-filled over here. Moving forward, again, your address details are pre-filled over here. You have to write this given security pin and click on save and proceed. Once you do that, OTP will be sent to your mobile app and you have to verify that OTP. After that, this is your application number. Take a screenshot and keep it safe with you. Send it to 2, 3 friends, your mom and dad and everyone, and keep it safe with you. Also, your ID and password is important, which you must have received through a WhatsApp message and a SMS. Then a page like this will open where your personal and registrational details are already mentioned. These are the latest part of the details that you have to put in, like domicile and category details, qualification details, and all of these you have to mention in this form. So first is for SC and ST category students. Category is, let us say, SC or ST. Then among SC and ST, you have to mention which category or which caste you belong to. So there are multiple castes under SC and you have to decide which one you belong to. How will you decide? It will be written on your caste certificate. If you don't have the caste certificate, ask your mom and dad. ठीक है? Do you possess caste certificate? There are three options: available, not available, applied but not received. If the caste certificate is available, if you click on available, then you will have to write the caste certificate number. If you have applied but not received, then you must have got the receipt and you have to write the receipt number over here. And if you click on not available, then your profile will be considered for general category. Similarly, this is for caste certificate. What is the date written on the caste certificate? All of that is mentioned over here. Are you a person with disability? No. Then moving forward, if you click on open and your income is less than 6 lakh rupees, then you come under EWS category. But EWS category, you will be considered only if you provide that EWS certificate. So do you belong to economically weaker section? So you'll mention yes. And if no, then you don't have to do anything. You just have to proceed. But if yes, then you have to write your caste name and then you have to put your whether you have your economically weaker section certificate or not. Again, there are three options available. If you right click on available, then if you click on available, then you have to write your EWS certificate number. If it is not available, then you are considered into general open. If you have applied for it but not yet received, then you must be having a receipt and you have to mention the receipt number over there. Okay, you don't have to upload any of these documents now. You have to upload these documents at the time of what you say cap round, common admission process. Then for OBC, SBC, NT and VJ, again your caste certificate, do you have it? If you have it, then your application number. Then comes caste validity certificate is also needed for these candidates. And then you need to have a non-creamier certificate. You need to have a non-creamier certificate. Okay, non-creamier certificate. Moving forward. Then your SSC details are mentioned over here. SSC equivalent percentages are also mentioned here. All of these are pre-filled because you have already filled these details. Then again, you move forward. They ask you about your graduation status. So graduation status, whether you are appearing or passed on the basis of that, your course duration, you have got marks in percentage or CGPA, and then you calculate your marks and put it over there. Okay, if you have passed your graduation, they will ask you what was the total of all the semester, what was the total of or total marks obtained in all the semester. Okay, so you have to mention that in terms of CGPA or percentage. Next, you have to select your exam center. So exam centers, so which state you want it? You want it in Maharashtra or any other state? On the basis of that, exam centers are available. Select all those exam centers or cities which are near your place or you are comfortable to travel to. Next, you put in, upload your photo and signature. So there are some requirements of photos and signature that it should be less than 150 KB and all. So you can read it and resize it in application like Paint. Paint is also sufficient to resize it. Then you have to upload something as document of for proof of identity. So you can upload a driving license or Aadhaar card or PAN card or a passport, anything. So I have uploaded PAN card and you can do that as well. Moving forward, then you have to proceed for payment. But it is important that you read all these instructions. You are required to upload the caste certificate, caste validity certificate, and non-creamier certificate at the time of Common Admission Process 2024, Centralized Admission Process 2024. Okay, you don't have to upload it now. But if you don't have these documents, run behind it immediately and make sure that you come up with these documents. Okay, or you produce these documents. If you don't have these documents now, before the application ends, it will be a big trouble because you will not be able to get the benefits of your category and your profile will be considered in general category. Once you click on proceed for payment, payment details like 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees, whatever is 800 rupees, whatever is eligible, your eligibility, you have to just click on this and pay the fees. So, and you go and proceed for the payment. Application is again very easy. You just have to fill in your details correctly over there. Make sure that you don't miss out on any opportunity by not having a certificate. So apply for the certificates immediately. And yes, if you want to join our academy, the numbers are given in the description of the video. Learn from JBIMS and SIMS3 toppers and cover all the important topics. And the last batch, 9 to 10:30 p.m. has recently started, so nothing much has been missed out. So join it and revise or cover each and every topic that is important for the exam. If you feel that there are few doubts left in form filling process, you can comment it in the comment section and we will try to provide the best possible answer for that. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.